Is PCRE crashing because of the PCRE3 library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows developer. Let's use these professional steps to fix the runtime error. To start the walkthrough for PCRE3 library, you can use my manual guide or the suggested resource for system optimization. This is the PCRE3 library, the Perl Compatible Regular Expressions PCRE engine. It provides high-speed, unmanaged pattern matching logic for text-parsing applications, global dependency for localized log analyzers, and cross-platform coding editors. With that context in mind, our first logical step is a clean reinstallation. The PCRE3 library DLL library is a critical dependency of the PCRE framework, and the most effective fix is to reinstall the specific program where you received the error to force a fresh deployment of the internal file. When a standard software refresh isn't enough, we need to bypass the automated installers and look at manual system state resets. A simple restart can resolve file-in-use errors that mimic a missing PCRE3 library message. It's a low-effort step that ensures your operating system starts with a clean execution stack. Don't forget to bookmark the video or give it a like before you restart. It's the fastest way to jump right back into this tutorial after the reboot. With the restart confirmed as ineffective for this instance, let's analyze the registry settings next. If you need to pause the video while navigating the registry editor, feel free. Rebooting didn't restore the monitoring tools, so let's run a command to reset the performance indicators. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr/r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, these files rarely suffer from physical corruption. Instead, their registration in the performance hive becomes desynced. This command purges those stale entries and rebuilds the registry links. I'd like to provide a brief technical warning about the risks of using unofficial file repositories. A vital technical reminder: modifying PCRE3 library DLL manually is a high-risk procedure that can overwrite essential library files your hardware depends on for basic functionality and secure processing. Managing these dependencies can be streamlined by using a specialized diagnostic utility to monitor your system state. Review options for improving responsiveness and system safety by consulting the repair resource linked below for PCRE3 library. Your feedback is valuable. If this fix got PCRE3 library working for you, please like the video and subscribe to stay informed on maintaining a secure environment.